Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I'm coming to you live from the confines of my very comfortable, a little smelly, 2005 Mercedes-Benz SL500. Video 2 in the series as we try to get this hunk of junk back on the road. I tell you what, the first video was #1 for my channel, and it just kind of blew up. Hopefully the car won't follow suit. But this video is going to be a lot of fun because we're going to turn the key. We're going to see what happens. I found a little something, and I fixed it. Did I fix the problem? Is the car alive, or do I just need to throw it in the ditch? Oh, check out the soul patch too. Isn't that nice? All right, let's bring you video #2 of the car we are now calling Rusty. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Whatever this thing is just totally ugh. And why is there no drain? And why is this so wet? I'm sure this is not even grounded. Half of this crap is probably not even grounded right here. See that? Look at that. Yep. So let's try to get this water out. Clean this up. Ooh. All right, we've had a huge change in plans. Yeah, okay, so what we did with the simple change of a fuse, we have power. All right? We had, where did it go? Look at this. I'm still cleaning this out. Look at this fuse right here. Look at that fuse, 7.5. It was all corroded right in here. So I kind of cleaned that out. I got a new 7.5, and guess what happened? You want to hear? Here we go. Let me put this down here. You sit over there. You sit there. And now listen, the birds will sing. The sun is coming out. There's a rainbow right over my SL500. Here we go. You ready? Key turns. Car starts. Can you believe it? The car effing starts. So let me just back it up a little bit. Uh-oh, I'm out of gas. Okay, I am like completely out of gas. I didn't like the way that sounded either. Okay, so let's do it. All right, this is the car that's going to be full of surprises. You want to see what happens? Yeah, I had to get a little... I didn't do this. I did not do this. It was already done. But look at that. Who shoves paper where their gas cap is? What kind of a cheap-ass fool does that? Oh my gosh. I hope that's not a sign of the rest of the car. You had a Bible in you. You're supposed to be religious and in good shape and just full of joy and love. But this car, you're going to be a good one, okay? So we're going to back you up very gently, put you in the garage, out of the elements, gigantic acorns, and we're going to give you some love and attention, and you're going to be a good car. You're going to help me get to a Bentley, okay? Okay, after our pep talk, we decided it's going to be a good car, didn't we? Didn't we, old Red? We decided he's going to be a good car, so let's kind of see what happens here. I'm loving I can turn the key. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have gas. We have brakes. We're backing up. And we have movement. Oh, shit. Yeah, we need to go forward a little bit because we're a little too close. Okay, I know. All these little sensors are angry. I know, but it's going to get better. What is that sensor? Visit workshop. Yes, I know. How do you make the mirrors go out? We've been able to get the car back to the operating portion of the house. Yeah, triage up front. This is where the serious work takes place. Loving the car, loving the look, hating the paint. Hate, 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 hate when paint does this, because you're totally screwed. Okay, if you wrap it, you're going to see the edges. Why did that light go off? I don't know. Hopefully this car is not haunted, because if it is, things get very, very expensive. Look how horrible this is on the inside. Look at that. Yep, I think I've ordered another one, or I found a source for a seat, so that's good. What we want to do today is kind of evaluate where we are, and we're not very good. Oh wait, okay, so this moves. Well, that did not move the other day. Why does it think the key's in there when the key's in my car, in my pocket? Don't forget the key. The key's in my pocket. Oh great, this is going to be a haunted car. Okay, let's see if the other seat works. Now, because this car was left open, look, we did get a cap. Yep, we do have a cap. Yeah, look at that. Because the car was open for who knows how long, we may have an issue. Oh, this works now. Okay, so the car is slowly coming back to life. That's good. This is moving for the first time in who knows how long. Okay, that's huge. This is broken. That's also huge to fix. This seat's okay. A little moldy, a little gross, but look at that. Look how horrible this is. I gotta find a piece for that. 350 bucks on eBay. Hopefully I can find one somewhere else a little cheaper. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna give this a good cleaning, then we're gonna remove the seats. We gotta get this carpet out because this has to get cleaned, and whatever lies beneath has to dry out. All right, you know the first thing I like to do, well, like the second or third thing I like to do is go through the car and kind of see what kind of a person owned it. And I put all the junk in the trash bag here. And so I found in here, we had all kinds of toilet paper. Look at this. Yeah, rolls of toilet paper. Let me back this out again. Once again, we're too close. There we go. So we're throwing a lot of this junk away. And he was really concerned about the way his car smelled. We had two air freshener trees. We've got this. We've got some matches from Casey's. Here's the two car fresheners right there. Okay, so we know he smoked. He liked scents. He was a religious person because remember this, when we found this, we found a Bible and more air freshener. Why would you keep so much air freshener in a car? Does this have anything written in it? Nope. I don't think this has ever even been opened. I don't think this has been opened at all. Okay. Well, we're going to put this back. So, it's a religious person who smoked in his car. Well, I don't know how much he practiced what he never read there. He was concerned about what he smelled like in his car. He smoked something in the car, and look what I found in here. I gotta hide his name. Jesse. Jesse right there, Gold Rewards, Buffalo Sun Casino. Yep, Jesse, there you go. Okay, so I did a little gambling. He did a little smoking something funny, but he went to church, which is fine, totally fine. Cleaning continues. I'm really happy with the progress. I don't know what's under the tray. I don't know much about the car at all. But what we're going to do is we're going to get the seats out, and we're going to see if I can get the carpets out with removing like the whole center part of the console, which I imagine I'm probably going to have to do. Yeah, so let's see if we can get that done. And I'm gonna, what does this even smell like? 5-in-1 air freight. It's a berry basket. Ooh, it smells very good. All right, as Aldro sings us a song on Pandora, we're gonna see if this top works, because it's gonna make it so much easier. Back it up, to hopefully this will work, to get the seats out. So what do I do? What is supposed to happen? Okay. Well, I don't think that's a good sign. Well, maybe we won't get the seats out. Do it one more time. It's a 2 cup of coffee kind of morning. Yep. And there's the dogs. My 2 best friends. Dog 1, dog 2. No, actually thing 1 and thing 2. Yeah, okay. Every time I come out here, they want to be in the video with me. Legend and Lola. She's looking a mess. That's a good cup of coffee. All right, now, you want to see the world's dirtiest trunk? As we continue on the SL500, look at this thing. This was the cover. Look, that's the cover. That lied beneath, and beneath that, all of this goodness going on here. All of this goodness. Now, Legend, if you'd grab this, I'm really going to kick your ass. See, he's already going for it. Whatever I put up, he's got to go check out. No. You want to see something, though? Sit. Sit. There you go. Good dog, Lola. Sit. Good. Legend. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Thank you. Look at these paws. Look at these giant paws. They're as big as the palm of my hand. There's your dog update. Look at this stuff. How long has water been sitting in here? Ooh. Okay, I don't even know what some of this stuff is. For example, that. I don't know. That's my new $200 battery that we used in the Force Find BMW. What I want to do today is just kind of clean this out. Okay, we still have more books. The guy had a huge pack of cleaning supplies in here, and he never used them. Or the girl. I don't know. I don't want to be any kind of a discriminator. But they never used them. Look at this junk. Look at that. This has been closed for decades. I'm kidding. It's an 05. Maybe 1 decade. I don't even know. But look at the mess. So what we're going to do is give this thing a good cleaning, which means you get to listen to some music. And I don't even know if this is even going to work. Look at this. Look at that. We're working already. We're cleaning already. Ugh. Okay. Enjoy the music. So have I lost my mind? What do you think? Is this even worth continuing? She starts, and she goes up and down. Take a look at what happened when I came out here after the car sitting for about, I want to say 2 weeks. And take a look at what happened when I gave her some power and hit the lift button. She popped right up, didn't she? Yeah, she popped right up. So there is a leak somewhere. We have to trace that. So video number 3 will be here very, very soon. We continue cleaning. We go a little deeper. We change the oil. We take a listen to this really weird sound that she is making. And we're going to address this smell, because in here, it's not mold. It's not mildew. It's actually gasoline. That kind of has me worried. Yeah. All right, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Check out the merchandise below. We got those Monkey Wrench Mike stickers. Cash at me with the address. $3, and I'll send you a Monkey Wrench Mike sticker. Wherever you are in the world, I will send one to you. All right. We're saying goodbye from Rusty. Yeah. Say bye, Rusty. Yeah. That's a great name. Greatest name ever, I think, for a car. Especially this one, because he's rusty. He is really, really rusty. Bye-bye.